Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play League of Legends on Linux. We'll start by preparing your system with the right tools. Then, I'll show you how to install the game itself. Finally, we'll cover some tips to optimize your gameplay and troubleshoot common issues, ensuring a smooth experience on your Linux machine. First, you'll need to prepare your Linux system. Install Wine, which allows Windows applications to run. Next, ensure your graphics drivers are fully updated for optimal performance. We recommend using a game launcher such as Lutris or Heroic Games Launcher to simplify the process. These tools often integrate Proton GE, which is crucial for running many Windows games smoothly. Now, let's install League of Legends. Open your preferred game launcher, such as Lutris. Search for League of Legends within the launcher's interface. The launcher will guide you through the installation steps, including downloading the game files. Make sure to select a recommended Wine or Proton version for the best compatibility during this process. To optimize your experience, adjust in-game graphics settings to balance visual quality and performance. Regularly update your graphics drivers and game launcher to benefit from the latest improvements. If you encounter issues, check online communities for solutions. Many players share their troubleshooting tips. Sometimes, simply trying a different Wine or Proton version can resolve compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.